GRRR stock analysis and GRRR stock prediction. What I'll be doing here in this brief and short 1-minute video is showing you my exact play. Not just showing you just because look bro, I've been in the market for 5 years, you know, the only guy in the space with 42,000 videos. The one thing that I care about the most is a clarity and just simplicity. The swing idea that I got here shouldn't be going lower than 1687 because I'm looking to take it to like 45. That's the swing wise. Now, lower time frame, if I see a shift and a double break, then there's nothing stopping me from buying more. You know what I mean? So keeping an eye on GRR, really not forcing any sort of trade or anything, but very open-minded for rules to be met. So I can hopefully, you know, take it up and do all that good jazz. So waiting, if there is no confirmation, there's obviously no buying. I have previous receipts with GRRR. If you want a clarity, you want to make 5-10K per month trading finally, click the first link in the description. Have leverage and learn stuff that's taken me 5 years to learn in like literally a few hours. Risk free, 1,200 people have gotten it. See you in the next one.